Hey guys, I'm Dana. I've come down to Hamilton to come pick up my new car at CarPow, and yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for making this experience a whole lot easier for me. It's been a while since I haven't had a car, so you guys made it super easy for me. Easy breeze with the finance and everything, and yeah, just thank you guys. Um, it kind of sucked because I had to rely on other people for like transport. Very a hassle, and because I'm pregnant, so I've got like appointments that I have to go to, doctor's appointments and stuff, and everyone pretty much had to work around my schedule. And now that I've got a car, I don't have to rely on that. At first I just wanted to see if I could, because my credit's not really the greatest, but I've seen like a few of your videos of helping people out with the type of credit that they have. And then yeah, once I got accepted, it kind of like made me a bit heavy, because I'm like, oh yeah, like finally, like yes. So I had Mel helping me through, and she was the best. Like I couldn't ask for anyone better to help me through it. She pretty much broke down everything and explained it a lot easier. So yeah, like she was the best. Like if I were to suggest anyone, I would suggest her, because she was very helpful, made it all easy, and always kept me updated on stuff. And yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, not having the greatest credit, but then yeah, you guys like helped me out of like what ranges of cars that I will be able to afford to get and stuff. So it was like really good. It was really helpful. Just being able to not having to rely on my family to help me around, because I've got two other kids and another one on the way. So yeah, just it will be really helpful for me and my family, just to get around and not having to hassle anyone for rides. Just try, honestly. Even if you think that you might not get it, you will never know, because I always thought that, because I kind of stuffed up my credit when I was younger, and slowly getting it back. And yeah, just give it a try, and yeah, they can work something out for you.